In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create edible images in Canva. If you're making a custom photo cake, personalized cupcakes, or sugar sheet toppers, getting your file set up properly is one of the most important parts of the process. A great design can still print poorly if the size is wrong, if important details sit too close to the edge, or if the final export isn't prepared for print. The good news is that Canva makes this much easier, and you don't need advanced design software to create clean, professional-looking edible images. To begin, open Canva from the homepage and create a new design using a custom size. This is a key step because edible printing works best when you design in real-world measurements from the start, rather than relying on generic screen dimensions. In the custom size settings, change the unit from pixels to inches. Then enter the size you need for your edible sheet, such as 8.5 by 11 inches, and create the design. This gives you a workspace that matches the physical sheet you'll be printing on, which helps everything stay accurate. Once your blank canvas is open, set up a circle frame to act as a guide for your cake topper. Go to Elements, find the Frames section, and choose a circle frame. Drag it onto the page, resize it to match the diameter you need, such as 8 inches, and place it in the center. This step is especially helpful for round cakes because it creates a visual safe zone, so you can avoid placing faces, text, or important details too close to the cut line. Next, upload your images. Open the Uploads tab, click Upload Files, and select your high-resolution photos or artwork. After the files appear in Canva, drag your chosen image directly into the circle frame. It will snap into place automatically. Then double-click the image inside the frame so you can reposition or scale it. Take a moment here to make sure faces are centered nicely and not too close to the edges. After that, add your text. Go to the text panel and insert a text box, then type your message. Use the toolbar at the top to choose a font and adjust the styling. For edible images, thicker and bolder fonts usually work better because they stay more readable when printed. Try to use strong contrast between the text and the background, and avoid very thin script fonts that may lose clarity. Before exporting, give the whole design one final check. Make sure everything looks balanced and that nothing important extends beyond the circle guide. Then click Share, choose Download, and select PDF Print as the file type. This helps preserve your design size and print quality for the best possible result. That's it. Once downloaded, your edible image file is ready for printing. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.